Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover account security with Adobe, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover account security with Adobe, start by visiting the Adobe website. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address associated with your Adobe account and click next. If you cannot remember your password, click on the You will be prompted to enter your email address again for verification. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from Adobe. Open the email and click on the link provided. This will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the designated field. Once your password is reset, return to the sign-in page. Enter your email and new password to log into your account. For added account security, update your two-step verification settings. Go to your account settings and find the security section. Enable two-step verification if it is not already activated. Follow the prompts to link your phone number for receiving verification codes. After enabling two-step verification, return to the account settings to review recovery options. Add a recovery email if you haven't already. This will provide an extra layer of security in case you forget your password again. Regularly review your account activity to monitor for unauthorized access. If you notice any suspicious activity, change your password immediately. Contact Adobe customer support if you cannot regain access to your account. Provide as much information as possible to assist in your account recovery. Keep your contact information up to date to ensure a smooth recovery process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.